In this lesson, we will see together some French cultural elements, and more precisely, we will try to see how to address French persons with first or last name. So, first name or last name? Let's see that together. So you will use the first name of a person for friends, family, close colleagues, and neighbors. So friends, family, close colleagues, and neighbors, in most of the cases, you will use the first name. So people you know well. When it comes to the last name, and we're talking about, in that case, introduction with monsieur, madame, mademoiselle, and after that you put the last name. So it will be for a client, it's coming like that, a person you meet for the first time, a formal situation, or last but not least, your superior or boss. So remember, last name, well, preceded by monsieur, madame. Need to be careful with mademoiselle nowadays, but monsieur and madame. So it will be for your superior or your boss, for a client, a person you meet for the first time, or then a formal situation. So this is when you will use the last name preceded by monsieur or madame.